Hi and welcome back to AWE USA 2023. I'm here with ZapBox, a very interesting product, and well, in this video we're going to find out all about it. So I'm here with Simon Taylor, and Simon, tell us what exactly is this ZapBox?
Hi. So this is ZapBox. It's our idea for making a smartphone-based headset that can do either VR or video pass-through MR. But yeah, using the smartphone to make it affordable, so at a much cheaper price point than anything else that has this level of features. And so what we've got here is we've got this, it's the kind of same architecture as a Google Cardboard, but obviously we've massively stripped away everything, so you get a really open peripheral, open view of your peripheral vision. And because of how the lenses work, that actually blends really nicely then just into the content that's on screen, whether that be VR or MR. Along with that, we've got our fully custom Bluetooth controllers. So these are Bluetooth low energy devices. They've got gyro and accelerometer in there, along with all of the inputs that you would use for Quest, which means actually because you get two of those controllers as well, it's kind of compatible out of the box with input mappings for any Quest content. So PCVR streaming, which is coming later on our roadmap, should sort of work out of the box with most PCVR content.
Okay, that's already a lot. So first of all, yes, this is definitely looking more sophisticated than the Google Cardboard from a couple of years ago, right? So you mentioned the price point. I want to ask you, how expensive is this and for who is this?
So the price point is $80, $79.99.
Okay, cool. That
kind
is
of
affordable.
Equivalent in EU and UK. Forget the exact pricing that we've gone for. And it's sort of for anyone. So we have a Unity provider plugin. So Unity projects that target Quest, you can rebuild them for iOS with our provider plugin, and it should work pretty much the same as it would do on Quest. So for the kind of indie developers, students, anyone for whom that kind of $400 Quest price point is a barrier, I think ZapBox is a great option. Also for kind of collaborative experiences and for mixed reality experiences as well, because we have full color pass-through from the camera. And because the price point is that much cheaper, it's kind of more feasible that you might buy a set of 2 or 3 or 4, and then to have real-world collaboration, I think is really interesting. And we use these anchors here for tracking, but that also means that we have just an automatic, consistent origin between any multiple users in the space.
Okay, cool. Yeah, well, $80, that's definitely way cheaper than a Quest Pro, right? So you mentioned the pass-through. I'm really looking forward to try out the pass-through, because the Quest Pro pass-through, actually I'm not the biggest fan of it, and I would like to see what an iPhone can do. I just imagine it could look probably really nice. So $80, you're getting this here where you have to strap in your iPhone only, not Android?
Right now, iPhone only, so Android support is going to be coming later in the year. And so originally, a couple of years ago, we had this on Kickstarter, and so we've got a Kickstarter community, and so we are committed to Android support for those, but right now, in terms of our slightly wider launch that we're kicking off now, iOS is where it's at. Okay. And we're looking at iPhone 11 and later, so we can use the built-in ultra-wide lens to give us a wider field of view for the pass-through and also for controller tracking.
Okay. Okay, very interesting also that this is going to be compatible with kind of the Quest builds, because you have the controllers. So yeah, probably for somebody who cannot afford the Quest Pro but would like to develop for the XR future, this might be a very interesting device. Cool, but now I would like to try it out. That's what I'm here to do. So yeah, how would it work out? So you take your iPhone, you have like an app that you would download and put it in?
Yeah, so
makes sense.
Yeah,
okay.
it's iOS based, so we don't control the OS, so it's all app-based distribution in the App Store. Later on in the future, we will have a hub sort of app, which will allow you to kind of app switch whilst you're still in the headset. But for now, you choose your app from your usual iOS app selection process, or you build it from Unity onto your local device, and then just run it and stick it in the headset.
Let's do it. Let's give it a try.
A little bit to say first maybe about latency. So latency is obviously a big issue with any kind of camera pass-through stuff. And any mobile AR, it's maybe easier, I don't know how we show this in the video. This is just the iOS camera app. That you can see if I rotate slowly, then it's okay, but as soon as I get fast, everything goes very wobbly in the world. Sorry, that's gone weird. Okay, don't know what I've done there. And there's reasonable level of latency there, and iOS adds latency with its compositor. And so one of the big jobs that we've done is try to get around all of that additional latency and bring it down as low as we can. Still a little bit more work we can do there, but you should notice it's better than any other phone-based pass-through you've seen.
Okay.
That's the hope.
This has to compete now with the Quest 2 pass-through, in my opinion.
Okay.
So probably this is going to win.
We'll see.
But yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, there's lots of details that I'm sure you'll ask me about that we'll get into when you ask me about them. It's probably easiest.
Okay.
So this little bit of content is just a single controller. And yeah. So you can just slide the headset in like that. And in terms of adjustment, that slides in and out.
Okay.
And then there's a ratchet.
Should I wear my glasses? Or
you can keep your glasses on.
Okay, that's good.
I generally keep my glasses on. Yeah. Give it a go.
Okay. And probably you could hold the mic for me? Okay. All right. So now this is really interesting. I must say I'm a bit shocked right now because what I see now, the pass-through is, oh, okay, he just made the turtle bigger. So actually what I'm seeing right now, I see a huge turtle, hello there, which is floating here on the table. Oh, you're giving me the, oh, what can I do with this?
So up and down is scale, left and right will turn it around, and if you use the trigger.
Ah, okay, yeah, right. There's a huge turtle right now that I'm spinning it around right now with the controller. And wow, the color pass-through actually is really good. I don't think it has so much latency. It's really fine actually.
It's orientation correction.
Okay, that is absolutely surprising. So the quality of the picture, yeah, it is probably Quest 2-ish probably. So the cool thing is everything is transparent. So I feel like I have a human FOV, which is kind of crazy to say, like with this $80 device. But everything is transparent. Yeah. So I see the pass-through here, but then it directly goes to reality. So it actually feels as if I'm not wearing the headset, which is crazy. Obviously I am. It looks probably really funny, but wow, this is actually a fantastic experience. This honestly looks even better. This experience is a better mixed reality experience than I get with the Quest Pro. Wow, congratulations. This is really good. So I can walk around the table. The turtle is just staying there. I wish you could see that right now. I wish you could see that. This is incredible for $80. Wow.
We can't see that.
You
Through the lens is very good.
Yeah, really?
Behind, yes.
Okay. So that is cool.
That's
I can do screen recording, but then core animation will actually.
Okay.
take
So now
over
I'm
and get
rotating.
worse latency. If you
Oh
just
yes,
shut your eyes
if
for
you
a
can do
second.
screen recording would be great.
Now here's another demo where I can move around some blocks in the space. Also, everything I can see the pass-through, which is surprisingly great here with the iPhone. Didn't expect that. And the exciting part is really that the reality that I see in my peripheral vision, it kind of directly, how can I say that? Yeah, it blends into the pass-through that I see. So I don't feel that
Don't see the edge of the phone.
I don't
it's
see
kind
the
of
edge of the
smooth
phone.
transition.
That's the interesting thing. I don't see the edge of the phone. So everything is basically FOV now. Really cool. Wow. I'm really. This is like a fantastic demo, and yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
I didn't expect this to be so great, honestly speaking, for cardboard. So basically, what we have here, it's a next generation cardboard, which can be used for mixed reality applications, but also for VR applications, basically, right? Which you can pick up for $80. And wow, when is this available?
Thursday, tomorrow.
Oh.
We're pressing the button. So yeah, we've got
Really?
some stock. Got some stock in Germany and in the US and in the UK. So yeah, not very much stock.
Yeah.
So
Okay. So
you ordered it.
where can people pick this up?
so zappar.com/ZapBox.
Zappar.com/ZapBox. You heard it. Check it out. I can give it my thumbs up. This is a very, really cool, convincing experience for MR. It's really good. You get these controllers with it. Yeah, very nice. Thank you so much for introducing the ZapBox to us.
No problem. Thanks a lot for looking at it. Cheers.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this content here from AWE 2023 in the US. There was ZapBox. Give it a thumbs up and do let us know in the comments what do you think about this. I'm very surprised for this pass-through and actually what you can get with this, the cardboard idea brought to 2023. Cool. Let us know about this, and well, we're looking forward to see you in the next episode. Until then, bye-bye.